Guys, and thank you for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to prep your skin before makeup, especially for the dry skin girls. So this video is all about dry skin girls. So if you feel that your makeup does not sit well on your skin, if your makeup start looking cakey, all that stuff, I'm going to show you how to prep your skin before makeup so that the foundation and all the makeup on your skin will sit nicely and will look flawless. So before going into the videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we are going to start with the video now. So it's very important to hydrate and moisturize your skin before applying any makeup, especially for the dry skin, because they lack moisture. And dry skin girls age fast, like the aging comes fast on the dry skin. So it's very important to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. So first thing first, I have nothing on my face. I'm going to use this serum from the Innisfree. I'm just going to take 2 pumps and apply all over my face. Serums are very small particles, even smaller than a moisturizer, and it gets deep into your skin and it will moisturize your skin from within. Let the serum sink into your skin and then we'll move to the facial oil. And for oil today, I'm going to use this Palmer Skin Therapy oil. This is a thick oil and it gives a lot of hydration to your skin. I use this oil especially during the night time before going to bed. I think it helps in keeping my skin moisturized and it helps to nourish my skin as well. If you have dark spots or anything on your face, it helps to reduce this as well. I'm just going to take 2 pumps and start to apply on my face. I'm applying in a patting motion so that it absorbs into my skin quickly. So this is a thick oil and it's great for the dry skin. Going all the way to neck as well and just pat it. Now after serum and facial oil, we are moving towards the moisturizer, and today I'm going to use a Nivea Light Moisturizer. This is great for the dry skin as well as oily skin. It has the right amount of moisture into it and it's very affordable as well. I'm going to apply this generously into my face. Now this cream will lock all the moisture in place. And for sunscreen, I'm going to use this Derma Essentia sunscreen. This is in the SPF 50. You can use your own favorite sunscreen which works for you. So I'm just going to take this is in the cream form. If you prefer the gel form, go for the Lotus one. Lotus and what that Neutrogena has great sunscreen as well. I like their sunscreen as well. I'm just going to take a little bit all over my face. And now it's time for the primer, and I'm going to use this Colorbar primer. This is a silicone based primer, so it's great for the pore filling. If you have a large pores around your cheeks or just your nose, just take a little bit of it and just warm it between your fingers and apply. This will also make sure that your foundation or your makeup lasts long, and also it's a pore filling primer. It's also going to fill your pores. Now for the foundation, I'm going to use this PAC HD Liquid Foundation. My shade is 23 and I'm going to apply this using a sponge. I think for the dry skin girls out there, it's the best way to apply a foundation is with the sponge, because the sponge is dampened and when you apply a foundation using a sponge, it spreads beautifully and it also adds a moisture to your face. This foundation works for all skin type. This is a demi matte finish and has a great coverage as well. Now after foundation, still you can see the shine because the skin is moisturized so well. Their skin is not feeling dry and it has a good amount of moisture and it will not look cakey. Your foundation will not look cakey at all. Now next step is concealer. Of course, if you have a dark circles or any spots, just conceal it. I'm going to use this concealer from the LA Girl. This is in the shade Pure Beige. So this concealer is very close to my own skin tone. So I'm just going to hide any imperfection I have, any spots or anything. I'm going to hide everything using this concealer. It's time for blending. If you want, you can even use a finger for this purpose. I'm just using a sponge because I think I'm more comfortable with the sponge. Now it's time to set the concealer in place. For that I'm using a Bharat and Dorris loose powder. We are setting all the places where we have used a concealer, and then with the sponge only we're just going to remove the excess powder. For dry skin, not bake, because your skin is already dry. If you start baking, when you're going to dry out your skin more. Okay, we are done with the base, and this is how the base is looking. So it's not looking cakey whatever, it's looking flawless, and the only reason of this is the way we have prepped our skin before makeup. So I'm gonna put some blush and contour, and I'm gonna come back. And at last I'm going to spray a setting spray, and this one is from the PAC. You can always go for the setting spray which is a glowy or dewy. Do not go for the matte one. Again, the matte one will dry out your skin. Go for a dewy setting spray or a glowy setting spray. This one is from the PAC, and it adds a moisture to your skin and also make your makeup last long, like lock your makeup in place. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face and just wait till it gets dry. Apart from setting spray, you can also use this kind of hydrating spray. This is the face mist. Use this kind of face mist, or just carry in your bag if you're going out. Whenever you feel that your skin is feeling dry or you're feeling tired, just spray this mist all over your face, and you'll feel fresh, and what you can say, your makeup will look fresh again. So keep these kind of hydrating mist in your purse whenever you're going out. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Whatever the products I have used in this video will be down in the description box with the link. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll never miss any videos whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.